Hello handsome. I see that you desperately need some hot and sexy machine learning. Worry not, I got you covered, so let's get the party rockin'. Let me welcome you to the Deep Learning Convolutional Network for Emotion Recognition tutorial. Wow, that was long. Let's see if we got all the keywords. Deep learning. Check. Convolutional network. Check. Blockchain. We are missing blockchain. Who was writing the script? Oh god. This is like 1 million less views. That sucks, but let's move forward. The first step is to define our objective as a machine learning problem. Given a picture of a human's face, what is the emotion it is expressing? Well, that's really easy. We just need two emotions. Happy and not happy. Happy is 1, not happy is 0. The number is a float, so anything in between can be a different emotion. For example, bored is 0.5 because you are in the middle of happiness and not happiness. However, fear is 0.127 because you are more not happy than happy, but it's not like you are not happy all the way down to 0. Practicing this can take some time, so let's go together through some more examples. Tightly clenched jaw. Widened nostrils. Frowning. Shutterstock watermark. This has something to do with anger. That's definitely a 0.093. Raised fist. Mouth widened with a scream. An amateur could say this is an excited human male. Pathetic. This is definitely a person ready for a battle and is performing what is called a war cry. Therefore, the correct value is 0.300. Good. Let's move to the next part. We will now split the video title to smaller chunks. First part, deep learning. Deep learning means that your network is learning a problem that involves depth. For example, classifying if a picture is a cat or a dog has absolutely no depth in it. However, we are classifying emotions, and emotions can be deep. So we have an instance of deep learning. Next part is the convolutional network. A convolutional network has three main types of layers: a convolutional layer, a pooling layer, and a fully connected layer. This is nice, but explaining what they do is out of the scope of this tutorial. So we will adopt a different approach instead. This approach is called the exam guessing technique. Imagine you are taking a multiple choice exam, and you have no idea what is the answer. You got that picture up in your head pretty quickly. Not judging. Maybe. Anyway, back to the exam guessing. The exam has only two options, A or B. As you don't know the answers, you will be trying to guess a sequence of A's and B's. However, you can't just guess a random sequence of A's and B's, because that highly decreases your chances of being correct. You need to enter the professor's mind and try to approximate what is a very likely, but not obvious sequence. Let's go through some examples. We will be guessing a 6-question long exam. A, B, B, B. This was horrible. No teacher ever would put this on an exam. We have to be more ingenious. A, B, B, A. This is a bit better, but let's add more randomness. A, B, B, A. Well, this is just beautiful. The last, ultimate step is to make every A a convolutional layer, and every B a pooling layer. Good. Now we have a deep learning convolutional network. But one last thing is missing. We need to train the network. In the literature, and in research papers, you will find that people use something called epochs when training a network. This is horribly wrong. The training time of a network should be proportional to the time it takes you to drink a coffee, browse through Reddit, and get back to the computer. If you don't like coffee, then you should reconsider if you really want to do machine learning. One coffee break is denoted as 1 CB, usually a value of 2 or 3 coffee breaks is enough to train a network. This depends on the problem complexity and on the amount of coffee you have available. Well, this brings us to the end of the tutorial. If you connect all the pieces and build a network according to the described steps, I will be really surprised if you get an accuracy larger than guessing the emotions randomly. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.